Good day everyone, my name is Barry Kavanagh here with Axiom Equipment. Today we are showcasing the Wacker Neuson G150 generator, which is 150 kVAs. There's a number of features that I wanted to speak about with this generator here today that I thought might be of interest. So this unit here is a fully enclosed unit, which means that it has a cold weather package including battery blanket, block heater, and a temperature actuated louver system on the top, which I will show for you here. So the temperature actuated louver system here on the Wacker system as well as the Atlas Copco system, the louvers actually close together when it's cold. It keeps the heat of the generator inside the unit, and when it warms up outside, the louvers actually open up to allow the unit to breathe. That is essentially how the cold weather package works on this unit. There are a number of safety features on this unit that I'd also like to point out. One of them is that it has a 110% fluid containment system on board, which means that any extra lubricants or fuels or oils, everything that's in this unit will be contained in the 110% fluid containment system. It also comes available with a positive air shutoff valve as well. And the other thing that I'd like to point out is the exterior emergency stop, which means that when the unit is fully enclosed and there's an issue at hand, it's a simple push of the e-stop and the unit will stop running. So this particular unit actually comes with a John Deere engine and a McCulty generator. In my opinion, one of the very best combinations that you're going to see on the marketplace today. So a couple of things that I wanted to showcase here. Here we have lockable doors for both the voltage selector switch as well as the lug system for extra power here. So there's that, and then here we have 350 amp outlets as well as 220 amp outlets, and then here we have a fully digital control system here. Tells you the hours, anything wrong with the unit, that kind of thing. So it's pretty, I would say, advanced, but also very simple as well, giving you easy codes to read in the field. And then here is a simple start, off, and remote start button here, which the remote start is essentially for GPS and that kind of thing. So this unit here is as we said, is the Wacker Neuson G150 generator. That's kind of it in a nutshell. It is a very high quality product built to withstand the rigors of the Canadian cold as well as a hot summer day. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day. Look forward to talking with you soon.